Wow, look what the Federal Reserve interest rate drop does for your mortgage payments. Be sure to watch this episode of Real Value. Well, here we are. It's another week. The weeks go by so doggone fast, don't they? So we're here now. School has started. We're thinking about, okay, it's fall, football games on Friday nights, soccer games on Saturday mornings, practice throughout the week. The kids are in the band, the kids are in sports, the kids are bringing homework home. Work is exhausting. Most of us have husband and wife are working doing something, even if it's volunteer work for one of us or part-time. We're just busy people, aren't we? And we've had a run-up of inflation that has really put the squeeze on our disposable income, right? That extra money that we have to do those fun things that we love to do, right? Whether it's with the kids or something that we've planned out, and inflation's kind of kicked us in the backside. Well, we got news this week that the Federal Reserve is lowering the rate, the Fed rate, 0.5%. How that translates into mortgages is another story. But be ready, because mortgage rates will drop. We were briefed a few weeks ago in Pontiac, Michigan, by the largest wholesaler in the nation that rates were going to drop and that this will be a big refi boom. We did a Real Value talking about refinancing with Jenny Butorac, our lending partner at 21st Century Lending. And we talked about a VA refi and an FHA refi. We'll link that video to this Real Value because it's important for you if you have a VA or FHA loan. We went extensively into that. You'll want to listen to that and take notes. Give Jenny a call. We'll have all of her information, even where you could go to apply for the loan. Jenny really is relational, so she likes talking to people. Some of us just kind of want to get down to the brass tacks. What's it going to look like, right? And that's cool too. But you'll find her enjoyable, very caring and thoughtful, and really looking to find you the best solution in financing or refinancing for your circumstances. So I know that you're going to enjoy that. It's not going to take a lot of time, just a little bit of time and some information, and you're going to be amazed at the value she brings as a person, but to top that off, also the low cost of financing with 21st Century Lending. That's kind of a mind blower. I've had client after client who has used them as their lender to come away and go, I can't believe we put this little amount down and we got this interest rate, which is just crazy. Awesome, we do this again and again and tell all of our friends. So I'm telling you, my friends, on this video that you need to call Jenny Butorac at 21st Century Lending. Listen to our episode that we did together. Give her a call, or better yet, jump online. We'll have a QR code that takes you right to her Apply With Me. It's a super simple deal, but you'll be amazed with the results. Enough said about financing. Maybe we can put some more money back in your pocket if you want to refinance. If you want a strategy for financing, you want to keep your house because golly, it's at 3% interest and we don't need to refinance that, but we do want to move. We've got a strategy for that as well. We'd love to talk to you about that. And that's just simply getting a tenant in your home. Your income increases, getting you some equity financing so you can take some equity out and that doesn't cost you a thing, and use that equity to put down on your new home. And while the rate is, all of this is in transition, we're at a real sweet spot in the market when things are not spiking up. The cost of homes aren't spiking up. If interest rates get into the fours and low fours, we're going to see another crazy pent-up demand going nuts for single-family homes, condos, townhomes, you name it. It's going to be another feeding frenzy. Good for all of us, right? But the prices are going to go up, and it's going to price some people out even with lower interest rates. So like I have some family, their last name is Wall, and they had a plumbing business. And they said on the side of their trucks, get on the ball and call Wall. Well, I'm just telling you to get on the ball and call Jenny Butorac today. Contact her today at 21st Century Lending because you are about ready to save a massive amount of money and enjoy the process as well. So back to the marketplace, back to our, here we are, we're nearing fall, we're going into that season. We're thinking about, oh my gosh, things are crazy. We just were talking to someone yesterday, they got a few months behind on their house payment, and now they can't make up the house payment without making all of it up. And so they're looking at loan modifications. I want you to make sure that you're careful if you're considering a loan modification, because oftentimes that comes at a huge premium, a huge cost. You could go from your 3%, 4% loan, whatever. Maybe you got some COVID relief and all that jazz, but now you got to pay the piper. Now you're behind in your payments, and now you need some help. We have a number of solutions to not just bail you out, but really strategically, systematically help you get out of your current circumstances and into a better place financially, maybe even into a better place physically, a different home, or keep the home you have and get it fixed up and do that deferred maintenance or whatever it is that's going on at your place. We're all ears. All you got to do is call us 605-906-8976. Have a real conversation with us about where you're at, where you would like to go, and let's chart that course together, right? And hoist the sails and let the wind of the market blow in our favor and get us to that next destination. Thanks so much. This is David Shelton. I'm with Century 21, and this is another episode of Real Value. We love bringing you this content every week. Please be sure to like and share and follow us, and also share this with your friends. That really, if this touched on something that you know someone is going through, man, send this specific Real Value to them. Thanks so much. We'll talk to you next week.